Hi guys, so I am in Dehradun. I just finished breakfast. As you can see, this is where we're having breakfast, and we are going to go to the location right now, which is about 40 minutes away. I'm really sorry I couldn't film my ride from Delhi till here because we traveled at night and everything was very dark, and I'm only vlogging this on my phone right now. So yeah, we just had some amazing breakfast. This is what I had. Like, you can see that I've had 4 eggs and some French toast and all that jazz. And yeah, we've just gotten a little ready-ish, and we go. I hope we get to see some really nice sights of Dehradun. Excited! So this is the hotel we are in. This is the Sarovar Portico. Dun, 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 dun. Pretty fancy, I must say. I will give you a mini tour of my room once I'm back in the evening because we are leaving right now. And yes, let's go. Hello.
Hi.
Say hi, Niti.
Hi.
This is Zekru. We have just left to go to the location. Like I said, it's 40 minutes away. Niti, what is this location called?
Shaheen Bagh.
Shaheen Bagh. And yeah, I'll take you through what actually happens behind the scenes, what we actors get to do, what we don't get to do. And is there something that you want to add to this, Niti? What do we do? What we don't do?
I think we do a lot of things.
She's a AD on the film, by the way. So yeah.
But it's just going to be an amazing shoot.
Yay!
Fun, emotional shoot.
Okay. So
wherever we are, shoot is always amazing.
So this is Smita Ji. Wait, one second.
Hello.
This is Smita Ji. She is a very popular theatre artist and television actress. And she's done a lot of notable work in Gujarati theatre, and she's travelled all around the world for Gujarati plays.
Theaters, yeah.
And I'm glad to be working on this project with her. And yeah, we are excited.
Yay!
Let's do this. This is the place we are at. Check out the view, guys. So yes, this is the vibes right now. I am wearing these pants. All are my clothes. These are from Forever 21. This kurti kind of top is from Sarojini, and this shrug that I'm wearing is actually one of the ADs, the AD that you saw a while back, Niti. This is her shrug. So yeah, I'm kind of set for today. And I just met with the director. He's an award-winning director, has shot ad films that have won a lot of awards, like I said. So I'm very, very excited to be working with him. And I've been told that my shot is the first for the day. So yes, very pumped. And let's go. Let's get this working. So this is kind of the setup where my shot is going to be taken. This is like a library sort of a setup. That there. This guy right here, he's the director of the shoot. His name is Manoj Pillai. Like I told you, award-winning director. That's the DOP with the camera. And as you can see, all kinds of books and everything. And I'm by the window. I am on set right now, and whoever this owner is, I don't know who he is. But look at the massive DVD collection right here. Like, seriously? This is some massive DVD collection. Whoa, I earlier thought they were books, but these are like all DVDs. Whoa. So this guy is very unreliable. Never talk to him, never agree to anything he says because he's the first lady on set. That's why the look troubles me a lot. Doesn't let me see my take. Shouts at me. Basically the guy I hate. So what's happening?
You now need to get in your position. The camera is ready.
Yeah. See, I get
stop
like
doing this now.
I get a taskmaster like him.
Chalo. Band
Okay.
karo.
So I have to go. I shall see you later. So I just got done with my shot. Dun 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 dun. And yeah, it was great working with this director. He's very chilled out. His shots are very, you know, earthy and emotional. You'll know it when you see the ad film. And yes, I'm done with my shots. Other people's shots are getting set up now. I will try and get him in the vlog, but I cannot promise. But yes, as and when time permits, I shall get other people in the vlog to talk about how exactly this process works. But yeah, this has been a lot of fun. I think I have maybe one little thing to do, but other than that, I am enjoying the sights and sounds of Dehradun, and it's been a lovely start to the day. It's about 1 o'clock here right now, and yeah, I guess I'm almost done. So hopefully I'll get some time to see the beautiful Dehradun, and stay tuned. So I just got done for the day, and I cannot get enough of this place. This is so beautiful. It, I'm sure, takes a lot of time for them to even maintain all of this greenery, because like, just look at it. Look at all of this. And this pool and everything. Oh my god. And yes, I did click a few pictures that you shall see on Instagram, maybe even before this video comes out. And yeah, so the plan right now is that we have finished, or rather I am done for today for the shoot. I want to explore Dehradun a little bit. So once the senior actress who is working along with me in this ad film, she's done with her shot, I might go look around at a few places in Dehradun. And I've been told there's a Tibetan market. Nikita, a part of my SnapFam team, yay to you. I know you were the one who suggested that to me, and now that I have time, I want to definitely go there. So yes, I hope I'm able to go there and experience this Tibetan market. And for further updates, keep tuned. We are on our way to Gucchu Pani or Robert Caves. It's like this cave where it is very beautiful and something worth watching. That's what I've been told by a few locals that I've met, and it was the closest to the location I
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah, don't mind my GPS navigating the driver. So that is what is happening right now. So it'll take me about, I think, 15 minutes or 20 minutes to reach there. So yeah, let's see what Gucchu Pani is all about. So this is what the entrance to Gucchu Pani / Robert Caves looks like. And yes, this is us entering. As you can see ahead, it says in and it also says out. So let's go. Definitely a lot of eating options wherever you go. And that right ahead is the entrance to the caves. Now that looks interesting. Let's. So this is what Gucchu Pani is. It's basically a cave, as you can see behind me, right there. and you pass by these you know, watery caves to reach there. It's an exciting experience, but I'm very scared of dropping my phone in the water. So yeah, let's go ahead. So yeah, this is the cave that we passed by, and so many people right there clicking pictures. The place where those ladies are sitting, that is like the little cave that you get into. I'm on my way back. I had no idea this place had like water involved in it. Otherwise I would have come better prepared. But yeah, this is not disappointing at all. The water is very chill. It feels amazing to be in this temperature. And yes, so now I am heading back from Guchu Pani, and we go to the hotel now because I am hella tired. And Mama needs to get some rest. So, Lego. So, yes, I told you guys that I will be giving you a room tour. This is my room. Let's check it out. Dun, dun, dun. That's my bag with my stuff. And this is the room. That's my laptop, headphones, charger, the huge, and I just kept my pants to dry off a little bit because I just got back from Guchu Pani, and some snacks there, and there is no view really because this is what's outside, but the view is definitely better once you get out of the hotel. And there is a really nice bath like right here, of course, like hi. So yeah, I just got back from Guchu Pani, and I just changed and I think we are done for today. There's nothing else exciting happening other than maybe dinner, which is also I don't think exciting because I've had a very hectic past 3 days and I would like to sleep early if that's possible today. So yes, that is what Mama's gonna do, and if I do something interesting you all will know, but otherwise good night for today. Good morning. So I'm at the breakfast table. So I'm just having some eggs and fruits and other stuff. We leave for Delhi today, and we have like my flight is at 11 in the evening from Delhi. I did that because the ride from Dehradun to Delhi is about 7 hours. That's the time it took us to reach Dehradun. It might take more, so we don't want to be taking any risks with flights, so I kind of booked the last flight back home. So maybe if we get the time, we could explore one other place here in Dehradun today, but I'm yet to get recommendations from some locals or maybe the reception or someone. And yes, we will have some breakfast and then head, and I shall keep you updated. I love street shopping. I am sure if you follow me on my channel regularly, you know that. And like I said, Nikita was the one who suggested this to me, so thank you, Nikita. Snap fam, yay. So yeah, we are on our way. This is the way. And yeah, I don't think I'm really planning on buying anything major over there, but I just like visiting markets. I just love how colorful it is, the displays. It just makes me really happy to see everything like out and placed. So that's why I wanted to experience that. And it's kind of on the midway to Mussoorie, because I won't have the time to actually go to Mussoorie, but I wanted to at least experience this. And plan is to visit this market and then spend some time there and leave for Delhi. So I'll see you at the market now. I can definitely see more of menswear here than women's wear, which is very unlikely for a market. Or maybe I'm in the section of the market which has more of menswear, I'm not sure. It's not really cheap. Let's see. इसका कितना? So that jacket is for 550. I would rather buy some boots. You get what I'm saying? So I really like this denim jacket. I got it for 450. आपके ये शॉप का नाम क्या है? नंबर क्या है? Yeah, this is shop number 102 at the Tibetan market. Yeah. So we've come to the other side of the Tibetan market. We've just crossed the road to the other side, and yeah, I can only see menswear. What's up there, Adun? Are men here more stylish than the women? Don't disappoint me so much. So I just found these cool glares. Hello, bolo. Hello. तो ये अच्छे दिखेंगे मुझ पे? जी बढ़िया दिखेंगे। आप 1 मिनट पकड़ोगे ऐसे? पहन के दिखा दूँ लोगों को? हाँ जी। Am I looking cool? जी। अच्छी लग रही हूँ मैं? Yes. I've got the approval of भैया जी, so I'm taking this. Again, menswear, 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 everywhere. सबसे छोटी स्कर्ट ही मेरे लिए ना?
हाँ, लेकिन वो बहुत प्यारी है।
Alright, let's.
बहुत अच्छी लगेगी।
ठीक है, स्मिता जी कह रहे हैं तो let's go check it out. So this skirt was very pretty, but this is for 1200, so not something I'm looking for. And I really like this dress. I wanted to get it for my best friend because she's like very girly girl, and this is for 4500. My face when he said that. Yeah. So we just finished this market. I don't know if this is a part of the Tibetan market, but he just told us that Paltan Bazaar is close by. So we have discovered that this Paltan Bazaar, which is supposed to be a ladies market, is also very close by. So we are going there now. Excited about Paltan Bazaar? Yes. Because it is actually called the ladies market. So yes, let's go. So this is Paltan Bazaar. Now this looks promising. It has a lot of items that I think I might be interested in. So yes, let's take you through this market a little bit. So all these kurtas are for like 150. Smita ji is also looking. Those there I have kept it aside for myself. And yes, I found some really nice ones for my mom and one for me too. There. Yeah, Dehradun is not as disappointing as it was when I first saw the Tibetan market. I'm happy. These are all for 100 each. Just stoles and dupattas. So I just got myself these two. I'm very excited to wear them. I got it from him. He stands all day. आप पूरे दिन खड़े रह के बहुत मेहनत करते हैं ना भैया?
हाँ जी.
Okay. I just got this and I guess I will have to do a haul video now. Yes. So this bazaar goes all the way up till the end. But we are currently on a time crunch right now. So I don't think we'll be able to go there. So we are returning back. We are going to call the driver at a meeting point and we are off to Delhi. So we have boarded the car and we are now on our way to Delhi. Prakash Sweets, that's where we just had lunch right now. We are in this place called Roorkee, which has a lot of schools and colleges and stuff like that. And yeah, we just had lunch. It's evening, but we just had lunch. And then we can see amazing watermelons around here. Really big ones. We wanted to take it, but then on the road, eating it and taking care of it, it's not really possible. And I'm sure there are more watermelon stalls on the road. So maybe once we are hungry again, we'll wait and have some water. So yes, that's the update for now. This is Smita ji. Hi. That's her patented dialogue. Hi. And yes. Now we head again to Delhi. We just took a second stop and there's a quite interesting and elaborate display here. This is Muzaffarnagar or Muzaffarpur. There's Haldiram's, there's this Namaste India which has been very well done up, as you can see. There's McDonald's. Yay, the Golden Arches. There is a coffee day, CCD. So I just got myself some ganne ka juice because it's time to get fat, I guess. And there's also Subway right behind me. So yeah, I didn't know that there was McDonald's. I was actually thinking it'd be so cool if I saw McDonald's, and there it is. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Smita ji because she's buying some sweets from Haldiram's over here, and then we really need to head to Delhi because otherwise Mama is going to be late for her flight, and that would be very, very bad situation. So I'll see you later. Reached Delhi airport. So as you can see, I have reached Delhi airport and I am waiting to get checked in. my web check-in has already been done, but yeah. Anyways, I'm standing in line to get checked in. It's about 9:30 right now. I am early. Very few times in my life that I'm early, but I made it, so I'm glad. And yes, I can't wait to get back home now. Meet Jason and my love, my diva, though she doesn't like me as much as she loves him. But yes, I shall see you guys maybe once I am done with security and all that jazz. That's what Delhi airport looks like. And this is an international airport. Whoa! This honestly looks like the other station right now. Good thing I have to go from here. Yay! Yay! I'm done with my security check. And then we see MAC and Chanel and all that good stuff right behind me. Yes. I'm not looking right. No. I'm not looking right. I'm a good girl. I'm still not looking right. No. I'm a very good girl. So something really tragic happened right now. I saw the Maybelline Big Shot mascara, which is not being launched in India. And I got really excited and I said, hey, Mama's gonna buy it because I've heard such good reviews about it. Mama can't buy it because I'm not a international flyer. I don't like this. Don't like it. I have boarded my flight to go back to Mumbai. It's been an eventful journey, kind of a solo trip for me after a very, very long time. And yes, please subscribe to my channel, you know the drill, share, comment, like, all of that stuff. And I shall see you guys later.